Here are your 3 tips for Chapter 4 of the text for SPC Music Theory. Tip 1. Revise the sentence you use to define the top and bottom number of the time signature for compound meters. Most people learn the phrase, the top number is how many beats are in a measure and the bottom number is what note value receives 1 beat. This is true for simple time signatures, but not technically for compound time signatures. While 6/8 time signature does in fact have 6 eighth notes per measure, we more often do not feel each individual eighth note as the beat unit. Rather, we feel this as a duple meter with 2 large beats, each measure, each with 3 subdivisions giving the compound feel. Thus, the sentence we should use to define compound meters is, the top number is the number of divisions there are in a measure, and the bottom number is the divisional unit. 6/8 has 6 divisional units in a measure. The eighth note is the divisional unit, which makes the dotted quarter note the beat unit. Tip 2. All compound meters have some sort of dotted note as the beat unit. The main difference between simple and compound meters is that simple meters have a feel of 2 beat divisions per beat, and compound meters have a feel of 3 beat divisions per beat. Whenever you add up 3 of the same type of note, the only way to represent the sum of those notes is through a dotted note. For example, 3 eighth notes make up a dotted quarter. 3 quarter notes make up a dotted half. 3 half notes make up a dotted whole note. If you think about it further, the fact that a dotted note is the beat unit in compound meters is why we use the compound time signatures to represent divisional units directly and not beats. There is no number that easily represents a dotted note. Tip 3. Generally, you do not see triplets in compound meter. Page 79 introduces the concept of triplets. If you have performed music for a while, you've probably seen these. If they are new to you, spend some time rereading this section to gain a full understanding. Essentially, triplets are usually found in simple time signatures when the composer wants to temporarily have a compound feel by forcing 3 notes into a beat, when normally in simple time signatures a beat is divided into even divisions. Remember, these videos are a supplement to the reading and do not replace the required reading you should do and the engaged thinking you should do through the workbook exercises.